This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
I want you to really look at this footage for a second. Because this isn't a CGI render, it's not a sci-fi movie set, and importantly, it is not a highly controlled robotics lab. What you are looking at is a real bustling BMW manufacturing plant. And that sleek, all-black humanoid walking the factory floor, pushing carts, and handling car parts? That is the newest robot from Figure AI, and it is actively working a shift. We've seen plenty of robot videos over the last few years where they do backflips or dance to music. But this is completely different. This is a massive, real-world deployment where a humanoid robot is doing actual, unscripted, blue-collar labor alongside humans. Notice how it walks up to that heavy metal cart. It doesn't just bump into it blindly. It evaluates the structure, finds the exact right spots to grip, shifts its mechanical weight, and pushes it across the floor. That level of physical autonomy is incredibly difficult to achieve. And it gets even crazier when you watch it handle the individual car components. Hand-eye coordination is one of the hardest things to teach a machine. But this robot walks up to a bin, looks inside, identifies a specific, oddly shaped piece of black plastic or sheet metal, figures out exactly how to grasp it, and pulls it out. Then, it walks over to a totally different station and perfectly aligns the part onto a storage rack. It has to know exactly how much pressure to apply so it doesn't crush the part, but tightly enough that it doesn't drop it. So, how is it actually doing this? It's not just playing back a pre-recorded loop of movements. Figure AI has a massive partnership with OpenAI, meaning this robot essentially has a physical version of ChatGPT in its head. It uses advanced vision language models. The cameras in its sleek black visor act as its eyes, constantly feeding video into an onboard neural network. The AI processes everything in real time, understanding its environment, recognizing the parts, and figuring out what to do next. If a bin is moved 3 inches to the left, the robot doesn't break down or grab at empty air. It sees the change, thinks about it, and adjusts its reach. It solves problems on the fly. BMW is testing these robots in one of their biggest facilities to handle the most physically punishing, repetitive jobs on the assembly line. The jobs that cause human workers serious injuries over time. We are literally watching the moment AI steps out of our web browsers and into physical bodies that can manipulate the real world. If this rollout at BMW is successful, it's not just going to change how cars are built. It's going to fundamentally change the entire global workforce. I want to know what you think about this. Would you feel comfortable working on a factory floor next to a completely autonomous humanoid? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to stay on top of the craziest breakthroughs happening in AI and robotics right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button to AIX. I'll catch you in the next one.